We're developing this video to show you how simple and easy it is to put on the upper belt stabilizer. The first job is just simply take off the belt guard. Take a 5/16 inch bit and bore this hole out to 5/16. It really takes very little out. The next step is to measure up about 3.5 inches from the hole. This could be cut on a saber saw, a jigsaw, or just simply a pair of aviation pliers like I'm using here. It's very simple, very easy to do. Okay. The next step is just remove this little clip, the original clip. We need to put on the new clip and make sure the nut is on the inside. Put this on there just like that. Next step, put the belt guard back on, but only just put in the rear bolt. Don't put in the front one at this time. Take the belt stabilizer, make sure you leave the washers in the correct position. We don't want the washers changed. Take and put this up through here like this. Put this in here like this. And make sure this is good and tight. Make sure when you put it in, it's lined up square. Next step is take this there little U-clamp, hook the spring over the set screw, put this up in here like this, take and push it up as far as it goes and in as far as it'll go. Tighten it up, make sure this moves up and down free. What this does, you want a little bit of play in there so it doesn't bind up. So that's it, your installation is done. It'll do a very good job on cutting the vibration from your belt. Thank you. God bless.